All right, quick separate video. I got a rig that's already tied up. This is a high-low rig. How do I fit these into like a little snack bag? I'll grab the hooks first. Just bundle those in my hand. And I take this line, and this is a mess. Oh, since this one has a spoon, I'm gonna double that over. I'm gonna put the spoon with those. All right, and now I got all this line. All I want to do with the line is just kind of like wrap it around my hand, and I'm just gonna bundle it up. Now it's all bundled. Nothing's wrapped around nothing. This whole thing is gonna come out and detangle pretty easily. This is not like the rigs that you buy where everything's all nicely wrapped up. Nope, I want ease of use. Okay, so let's do that again. Bundle those two hooks up. If it has a spoon on it, put the spoon with it as well. All right, pull all this line out and away from it. Out and away, out and away, out and away. Just go around your hand a little bit. Go around your hand, hold it all together. Now put it all, there. Now, let's see, sandwich bag. Come on, sandwich bags, where are you? I tend to like this little size. I don't even know what this is. The only place I find these at is Big Y. All right, where the zipper's there and not along the long edge. Yeah, which way do you put it in? The way that it goes in easier, and that's with the just whichever way. Look at that, nice, tight. You can toss a little label on the front if you are forgetful. Sometimes I am. You know what I'll say is I'll say 30 pound. I'll just write a 30 on there, so I know the pound. And then I can see the rest. I can see the colors. I can see the spoon. If I wanted, I can see that there's two baits in there. That's a high-low, and this is gonna get bundled with other high-low rigs. Easy. All right. Let's go make 20 more of these and get ready for the season. All right, go make 30 or 40 because you're gonna bring some friends out. All right, bye.